How to use webinars in your business. When conducting a webinar, you can include an offer in the middle or before your webinar ends. This is a great opportunity for selling your products or services to your audience. From the moment that you are connecting to your audience, you will gain their trust and believe that you will provide them a quality service or product. Your webinar can be the most profitable way of making sales in your business. Goals of webinar in your business. Build good relationship. You want to build a good relationship with your customers so that when they would want to avail services where you are the expert, they will come to you, asking for help or availing your products and services. Good relationships with clients help your business grow. Generate leads. You want to attract new customers and maintain old clients. You may want to keep the details of your list of attendees, including their name and email, for sending them more mails in the future where you may offer them services from you. In that way, you may still reach them after the webinar. Build your brand or authority. By talking to your audience confidently, you are giving them the impression that you are the expert in this area that you are discussing. They can see you as an authority they can look up to. Convert to sales. During the time that you are discussing your presentation to your attendees, you are already giving them a valuable information that is useful and beneficial for them. That is why they're still inside the webinar, listening to you. If you will be offering a product or service in the end of your webinar, you will likely to have more sales, as you are giving them free information first before the offer. In addition, whenever you give them a limited time offer, they are more likely to buy it because they do have the urge to buy something from where they can save money. Free webinars and paid webinars. A free webinar can be a way of testing certain topics or products if they would sell to your target market or not. For paid webinars, you can prepare for one topic and be paid all over again. You only have to do the effort of providing the information of your topic once. As these paid webinars are available online, it can generate high sales with a click of a button. To start using webinars for your business, a good recommendation for a webinar hosting platform to deliver a successful online seminar or webinar to your clients is the WEBINARLOOP. You may access this platform in this link.